Hello guys, today I'll teach you how to install gbwhatapp on your Android device. For those that don't know, gbwhatapp is a modified version of WhatsApp, and this modified version of WhatsApp is not available on the Play Store, because if you come here and you type gbwhatapp, you see there are no results. So how to install gbwhatapp on your Android phone? We will go to the Chrome browser and we search Google. When Google comes, we now put gbwhatapp.apk and you search. Now you can select the first option and you scroll down to where they say download now. So this is it. You go to download gbwhatapp.apk. As you can see, that's the name, app name gbwhatapp, Android version. It supports from Android version 4.3 and above, and this is the latest version. The app size is up to 44.3 megabytes, and you don't need to root your Android phone before you can be able to install this app. So you just install it directly. So we scroll down to download. My connection is a little bit tricky, but when you click the download, you'll see it pops down. This is it. It just popped up. So now we can see the details on how it downloads. That is it downloading. So when it's done downloading, you can now install and start using it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.